I've done is instead of eating French fries, go with salad. Instead of having lunch, just have fruits and vegetables. Instead of eating potato chips, I eat grapes and cherry tomatoes, my very favorite. And if I have a hamburger, steak, or whatever, portion control. Don't eat the whole thing. I've dropped over 55 pounds, and 5 of them in the last 6 days that we've been here. That's it. But like, French fries aren't really a thing, right? Nope. Last night we went to an awesome restaurant where they basically have all the sauces in the middle, and there's a heater in it, and you dump, what do they call it? They call it a hot pot. Yeah, I'm trying to explain it in North American. So we went to this place with a big bowl in the middle of the table that was under fire. They call it the hot pot here. The really good ones.
Get to the chopper!
They did not stretch out noodles and dance for us, but heat number 7, we're in the consolation bracket. So they just kept bringing in everything known to man, from steak, lamb, every fish known to man.
OK， 准备开始。
Here we go. I see your goggles down. No need for thumbs. Arm your quads. Live on the
周总注意，
tone.
周总注意安全。
Lesson 5.